Okay guys, we're live for the 8th day of Christmas, I think it was. Time 10:20 a.m. Eastern. And we go 3 times in the clubhouse, 10:20 a.m. 1, 2, third and final random, 10:20 a.m. Eastern. Okay, 3 times. Chris Michael, 10:20 a.m. Eastern. So Chris, I have your info. I still need to ship you the bat. I found the box. I'm not sure if you want me to send it now or after Christmas, so it doesn't get all banged up during shipping. They're pretty crappy right now, both on Canada Post and USPS side. We are done. Time 10:21 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.